With your most accurate forecast on this Monday, I'm meteorologist Jorge Torres, and get ready for a breezy to gusty one here across the state as a powerful storm from the west begins to head our way. So here's a look at futurecast winds to start off the morning and the earlier part of the day. Wind speeds at noon across central and southern Arizona, right around 10 to 20 miles per hour. In northern parts of the state, the winds will be even stronger with sustained winds at 20 to close to 30 miles per hour. The winds continue to howl throughout the afternoon on your Monday and even into Tuesday, where the winds could be even stronger, especially on the Mogollon Rim and the White Mountains, as we have a high wind warning in effect for this part of the state beginning at 11 o'clock Tuesday. That's tomorrow, with gusts anywhere from 50 to 60 miles per hour. North of the valley, there'll be a wind advisory tomorrow, with sustained winds anywhere from 20 to 30 for areas like Preston and Sedona. And even this morning, we do have a wind advisory for areas along the Colorado River Valley. There in portions of Mojave County, with gusts around 45 miles per hour along places like Lake Mead, Lake Mojave, and Lake Havasu. So we also have the wildfire risk, unfortunately. We already have a couple wildfires burning in eastern Arizona, and today will not help things because we're forecasting high winds, low humidity, and dry fuels. Red flag warnings in effect today and tomorrow, primarily across eastern and southeastern Arizona. Why is this happening? Well, there is the culprit, this powerful upper level low situated off the Pacific coast that'll head our way, actually stay just north of the state Tuesday and Wednesday. So ahead of it, very strong winds, low humidity, dry feels, so high fire danger ramps up for the next couple of days, and then the temperatures begin to drop a little bit and the winds start to die down after Wednesday. Today, here's your planner. Temperatures in the valley starting off in the 80s this morning. It'll still be toasty throughout your Monday, mid-90s by midday, and forecasting a high of 102, which is roughly 10 degrees above normal for this time of year. But again, we're forecasting gusts in the valley today and tomorrow, right around 30 to 35 miles per hour. Highs throughout the metro staying in the mid-upper 90s, a few spots in the lower 100s, including Scottsdale, Tempe, Chandler around 103 and 102 as you head toward Levine. Northern Arizona, highs in the 70s for Flagstaff with windy conditions, mid-70s as you head toward Heber, near 80 in Shola, with 90s and lower 100s across the lower deserts. That 7-day forecast showing temperatures dropping, though. That's some good news with our 7-day. We'll be in the upper 80s to low 90s from essentially Tuesday through Thursday. We do warm things up gradually Friday and Saturday with highs in the mid-90s, but another storm could be heading our way, meaning more breezes, cooler temperatures, and a slight chance of rain by Sunday.